Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elanna if you are new to my channel. This video is long overdue. You guys have been asking for my favorite lipstick, everyday wearable lipstick colors for forever, so I'm finally doing it. If you want a perfect new everyday lip color, you're definitely gonna wanna keep watching. The first lipstick I'm gonna try on is definitely one of my favorite lipsticks ever. It's a go-to for me. It is FAUX. You guys have seen it plenty of times on me. It is a satin color. It's a muted mauve pink. Definitely such a beautiful everyday color. I just think this, I normally wear it with whirl liner, but you can wear it on its own. It's not gonna be as intense. I think it's the perfect bride color. This and like two other ones that I'm going to show you. Honestly, probably all of these colors are perfect for your wedding day, but also just every day. I've repurchased it 3 times, I think. No, 4 times. So it's definitely always going to be in my collection. The next color, I actually have 2 in my collection. I didn't even realize I had it. It is such a true soft pink beige. It's an amplified formula. I think a little goes a long way. So if you really put this on, it's going to be quite pale. I don't think it would really suit me as much. I think just, you know, a little bit at the outer corners and then dab it in the center, and it's gorgeous. The sun's not working my favor at the moment. Of course the cloud is coming. I'm sorry guys if this video is gonna go in and out with lighting. I wanted to use natural lighting just so you could see the true color, so bear with me. Again, whirl can go with all of these colors and strip down, so it just depends if you want to bring out a brown side of it or keep it on the mauve pink tones. But yeah, another great everyday color. This one is definitely a cult favorite. It is Velvet Teddy. I'm pretty sure everyone here in Northern Ireland owns it. It is so nice. It is a matte, but it's such a comfortable matte. It doesn't feel like really drying on your lips whatsoever. It's a deep tone beige, but again, you can play around with making it a little bit more pink if you add whirl lip liner, or you can keep it more on the beige brown side by adding strip down liner. It's so pretty on its own as well. I haven't even worn it on its own for a while. I normally wear all of these with a lip liner, so it's interesting to see them just on their own. I feel like this would be so nice if you had a little bit more of a sun-kissed glow. I think it just gives the perfect amount of depth. Like, it's still in the nude category, but it's not super nude. Like, if you find some of these might be too light for you, this one is a little bit more of a medium kind of, you know, tone, but love this color. Such a good one. This next one actually is new to me. I have never owned it before, but I don't know why. It is probably one of my lighter shades. I normally don't even wear something this light, but patting it on, the girl at MAC sold me because she just was like, oh, if you just pat it on, it just gives like such a perfect wash of color, and it's just so beautiful. It is a pale muted pinky beige. That's what it says on the site. I am reading what the description is just so I have the right color, you know, diagnosis for you guys. And it's perfect patted on. I think if I fully swiped it on, it would be just it's a little too much. I think I would really like this with a liner, like with whirl liner. I think it would just kind of define my lips ever so slightly. Be careful with how much you put on it though, because I feel like I could quickly enter the territory of concealer lips. Moving on to another matte lipstick. It doesn't feel like matte, it's a creamy matte. Let's just say it's a creamy matte. This is Kind of Sexy. It's very sexy. It's one of my favorite colors to wear in spring summer, especially with strip down liner. It is a neutral pinky rose, but for some reason on me it looks a little bit more peachy. Anybody else getting that? I think it pulls a little bit peachy on me. Remember, unless you have the same exact lip color as me, skin color as me, all of these are gonna look a little bit different on everyone. Let's keep that in mind whenever you're trying them on. But this one, yeah, for some reason it pulls a little bit peachy on me, but that's why I love it for summer. This shade, Viva Glam 2, one of my best friends, Erica, recommended to me. She wore it on her wedding day, and I don't know if I got it after that or if she even wore it at my wedding. I don't know, but she told me about it and I've been hooked ever since. So that's been a couple of years. Such a beautiful color. It is a muted brownish plum, so you have a little bit of brown mixed with a cool tone, and it just creates the perfect tone. I love this color. I think it's beautiful on its own without any lip liner. It's one of the few shades I would wear without a lip liner. Yeah, I love this shade. Definitely one of my go-to everyday colors. This shade is also new to me. I just wanted something that was, you know, easy to wear, that I could like grab and go, especially on days I don't really wear makeup, that just was hydrating on my lips and had a little pop of color. It is a sheer formula, and I think it is a creamy neutral pink. And that's exactly what it is. Easy, totally understated. If you're someone that doesn't really want to focus on your lips, but you want them to be hydrated and just a little tint of color, this one is perfect. I've never even heard of Patisserie before. Clearly I've not been to MAC for a while because I was hoarding 24 like old lipsticks that needed to go, but really happy with this one, and I've been wearing it a lot since picking it up, especially on days I'm very minimal with my makeup. Okay, last one. These wipes have been so good on my lips. They're the Pixi Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths, and they smell like rose. My lips aren't too dry, actually. This last one actually works with my outfit the best. That was not planned. This one is called Yash. It is a matte lipstick, which clearly I'm noticing that that is my favorite formula and not satin, although satin's a close second. It is a deep neutral, although when it says deep neutral, I don't really know if it's that deep because it looks quite, you know, nude and very wearable on me, but I don't know if that's just my lip color and whatnot, but love this color. Again, a newer one. I have owned it in the past, but it was so old. So I picked it up again and I love it. I love it. Perfect with stripped down. Actually, I'm going to show you guys what it would look like with stripped down. See how it just like finishes off the outer corner, and it kind of gives the appearance of a fuller looking lip. So a little trick there if you don't want to get lip fillers, you can just outline your lips. That's what I do, and it works a treat. So yeah, that's it. You made it to the end of the video. Those are all of my wearable everyday colors that you guys see all the time, and guaranteed it's with either whirl liner or stripped down liner, and sometimes Sora, but not as often. So glad you guys told me to make this video because it was a long time coming. You guys are always wondering what lip color I'm wearing, and as much as they all look exactly the same, there's some minor differences. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Let me know what color was your favorite or which one you want to go try out at MAC, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.